Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1108 of trying a new makeup product every day. And if you're watching this video on the day it comes out, I want to say happy Valentine's Day. Today is my 5-year anniversary with my boyfriend, so happy anniversary, James. Not that he would watch this. But so today I'm trying out the Item Beauty One Hit Prime, Set, and Refresh Dewy-Finish Face Mist. So I actually got this in my Ipsy Glam Bag X, and I'm really excited about that box. If you have not seen my unboxing of it, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. I've been able to try out a few products from this new brand, Item Beauty. It's Addison Rae, the TikTok star's makeup line, and I've tried out a few products that I've gotten in Ipsy, and they've been a little hit or miss, but overall, I'm excited about this brand. So I think the packaging on it is cute, and this is a pretty big setting spray bottle. It has a retail value of $18, and it sounds like it has a lot of really awesome ingredients in it. It says it's infused with aloe and tiger grass extracts to help calm and soothe stressed out skin. It has lavender and rose waters to help tone and brighten, and it has sodium hyaluronate to lock in hydration. So it sounds like it's supposed to do a lot of great things for the skin. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, dermatologist tested. It has some very high ratings on the Ipsy app. I don't have my foundation on yet, so I want to try this out as a prep, a prime, and a set. And then I can also use it as a refresh throughout the day and let you know how that goes. But so first off, let's check out the mister. That can really make or break a setting spray. But whenever there's a bad bottle for a setting spray, I end up just pouring it into a different spray bottle that I do like. But let's check this out. It definitely looks very unique, the shape of it. Ooh, seems pretty good. Seems like a nice fine mist. I can't really tell the smell of it yet, so that's not a bad thing. I don't like when they're too overly fragranced. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly mist this all over my face. Ooh. This is feeling so good on my skin right now. My skin's just been very dry lately, so I'm really excited to have a hydrating mist to try out. And like my skin was kind of having that like tight feel when you know your skin's feeling dry, and I feel like right away this is making my skin really feel refreshed, hydrated. What I like to do when I use a setting mist is just fan it dry a little bit, but it's not like a super heavy soaking mist to the point where my face is soaked. So I feel like it's kind of drying down pretty quickly, but I really like the feel of that. And you can see already some nice dewiness to the skin. I love a dewiness to the skin. Ooh, and we've got a little bit of tackiness, which I like for a primer. It's not like super tacky, so I feel like this would be a great top setting spray as well. But next, I am gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. No surprise, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation. This is just the foundation I always use to test out primers. We'll really be able to see if my skin is actually hydrated from that mist. I feel like the foundation is applying really nicely. It's kind of got that little stickiness onto the primer, which I like. All right, so my foundation is applied, and overall I would say that worked really well. The foundation is looking nice and smooth. My skin is looking hydrated. I don't have any dryness or dry patches peeking through, where I've been really dry on my chin lately. My chin looks completely smooth, hydrated. There's no cakiness. What I will say is that there's like some slight dewiness showing through, more so on this cheek for some reason. Maybe I just got a little bit more coverage on the other cheek. But I think the makeup is looking pretty matte right now, so I'm really interested to see how it's going to look when I put the spray on top of it. But as a primer, I'm happy with how smooth and hydrated this makes my skin and makeup look. But let's see if it looks even better when I set it with the spray. As far as scent goes, I don't notice any. It does say there's no fragrance to this, so I don't really smell anything. Now I'm just gonna fan it dry. But I really do love the feel of this spray on my skin. The word that just keeps coming to mind to describe it is refreshing. And that's what you really want from your setting spray or your facial mist. And yeah, it does a really good job of kind of melting the makeup a little bit into the skin. It was looking smooth before anyways, but now it just looks even more skin-like. And it did add a little bit of dewy shine, but not overly dewy, not greasy at all. I feel like it kind of just gave my skin back that like normal texture where it's not matte, it's not shiny, it just looks kind of like healthy, hydrated skin, which is perfect. Like you can't even really tell that I have foundation on, and that's the look I like to go for. I want my skin, my makeup to not give away any texture or clue that I'm wearing a full face of foundation, which I completely am. And like I'm doing that really up close check, and I seriously have no complaints. Like the foundation isn't settling into any of my lines. So I have to say I really like the combo of using this as a primer and a setting spray. I think putting the spray on top is the key to just add that final touch to make the makeup a little bit more skin-like, a little bit more hydrated. So I am going to keep using this. It's exactly what my skin needs these days. And I'm gonna continue wearing my makeup for the rest of the day, and I'll let you know in the description down below how my makeup lasts and if I use this throughout the day to refresh my makeup because my skin starts to get dry or the makeup starts to get cakey or anything like that. I'll let you know how this works as a refresh spray. Normally, I don't end up using a spray to refresh my skin throughout the day unless it's one of those days where my skin is just getting really dry. So right now, my skin feels so hydrated. So I'll be interested to see if it stays hydrated or if I do end up having to use this to refresh the makeup. But I have to say, I agree with the high ratings on this. This is such a great priming spray and setting spray. And I've actually been using the Smashbox primer water lately. That's the primer that I've been using since I finished my last primer. That's the one I switched to next for every day. And I've been really into priming sprays. They're just so fast and so hydrating for my dry skin. So this one is just another great priming spray that I know I'm gonna be using a lot. So of course I want to know your thoughts on the Item One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Dewy-Finish Face Mist in the comments down below if you've tried it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.